Alright, so I just got back from picking up the parts I'm gonna need. All these parts are gonna be going on my 93 Ford Flareside. These are 2-inch drop spindles. Also got a control arm kit that's gonna be for the bags, because this truck is gonna be bagged. So they're also narrowed to 1 inch to reduce the trek width. And came with the cups, new shock brackets, new shocks, bushings, everything I'm gonna need basically. And if you guys haven't noticed, if y'all are familiar, y'all will know these parts don't fit a Ford. And that's because if y'all watched my previous video on the first, I mentioned that I was gonna be doing a front clip on that truck, and this is the donor frame front clip that I'm gonna be going with. This is like a 90s model GM frame, and I'm gonna be turning this into this. So this is how it turned out. New frame section, basically my new truck. This is gonna be it. This is what's gonna be the new suspension. Yeah, so I'm gonna start by taking off all the old parts that I'm not gonna need, and I'm gonna start installing the new stuff, so keep watching. Finish unbolting the, what's it called, more? I forgot what's it called. But yeah, I'm gonna be removing it. I'm no longer gonna be needing it. So that's going to the
The spring's loose.
A ver si lo pongo. Have a job with that. Look at the jack stand. Record the jack stand.
Yeah, I don't think this is safe, bro.
It's leaning inside. Come on, man, my truck. You just dropped my truck, man. The fuel control.
I went ahead and cut off one of the original mounts for the upper A-arms, because you do have to relocate the mounting. They give you like brackets so you can glue it on. These are gonna be the brackets right here. So I cut off the old one to raise it up. I'm gonna just grind that smooth and weld it in place. Finished grinding down the frame, made it smooth. Here I just mocked up the suspension. I'm gonna show you how it travels. With the minimum camber. And now I'm gonna do the same on this side. Here are the tabs. That's how they turned out. Just tacked in. But they're already mocked up the same as the other side. Just gonna burn them in. Cut the bag, clearance the frame out for the bag. I already did on this side, let me show you. It's gonna look something like this. This is how I clearanced it. You do have to weld this back together, so I'm finna do that. Not the prettiest, but it's gonna work. I almost got carried away, didn't show y'all. Grinded it smooth after I welded it. And I already welded on the cups on the bottom arms. So now I'm just gonna touch it up with black spray paint. Just on top of the rust. So I just set it on the ground. That's both sides completed. Just have to go back in there and just finish welding. And then I'm gonna set the wheels on it so I can mock up the shock mounts. Got the wheels right here. Don't mind those, they're gonna get polished. But yeah, that's how the frame should sit. Then chopped right here with the frame that's on my truck right now. Chopped and connected. I think should work. I gotta come back to the old spindles because I am gonna be using these brakes and rotors and bearings just to mock up the wheels on the new suspension. So I'll be taking these parts and throwing them on. Right, so this is how it turned out. This is how it's gonna look when it's aired out on the floor. I still gotta notch the tie rods so they can fit because they have to be shortened and also clearance it out. But for the most part, that's how it's gonna be. Gotta finish welding it. Así, con el gear shift así. Así con el gear shift, güey. Así.
Yeah.